270 million in the entire population of the world mawawalan ng trabaho because of AI. Because when you work for growth, money will run after you. Thank you so much. Have a seat. First and foremost, I'd like to appreciate and honor Ken. Palakpakan natin ng malakas na malakas na malakas. Simply because, again, I remember Ken when she was starting from really there, and now this is the space that you've created. Maraming salamat. Palakpakan natin for putting this up. Of course, it's great to see some of the people who I've seen from 21, 22-year-old. Very successful EJ, thank you for being here. And of course, Jason, para mga mixed flores natin yan dito sa Davao. So maraming salamat. And of course, acknowledging GCI May Club. Palakpakan natin, patayo po, GCI May Club. Alright, so ito po yung group na responsible to bring GCI outside Manila. Palakpakan natin. Okay? And of course, pasalamat ako because a lot of you from Davao who are here, because for most of you don't know, nakurat mo ganihan, nagbisaya man siya. Kaya natawo ko, nagdako ko diri sa Davao. Pakpaki ang mga Bisaya diya. So sa mga wala na kailan, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Ras Huson. Can everyone say hi, Ras? Hi, Ras! And my contribution to the world is really ROSE. What's the word? ROSE. That means it's rate of self-evolution. Because at the end of the day, if your life is not working the way you want it to be, maybe in terms of health, maybe in terms of business, or maybe relationship, simply because you were stuck in the old ways and we're now in the 2026, and therefore, your business or your job or your career is never about your business, your job, your career, but it's about your rate of self-evolution. So which means, og naglisod ka sa imong kinabuhi karon, naglisod ka sa imong negosyo, nalumos ka sa imong relationship, it's simply a reflection of maybe you have not expanded the way you think, the way you feel, and the way you act. And therefore, if you want success in your business, in your life, make sure that your key focus here is your rate of self-evolution. So I'd like to start my discussion today by asking everyone to please read this. Ready? Begin.
Your business is never about your business. It is always a direct reflection of your level of personal transformation.
So which means if you're having difficulty with your life, if you're struggling and you have problems in your life right now, it's simply a reflection of you not expanding, you not growing, and you being left behind. And a lot of people would always say, kinsa man na si Coach Ras, unsa man niyang ginabuhat? Because a lot of you would always think, my job is only LLP. What's LLP? Ask me what's LLP. Laway lang puhunan. Niyang katawaan na ni, pamikailan ni Boss RDR, first time yung nag-meet, ay grabe, gihusgahan ko. Sa Coach Ras, diretsahin na kita. Sige po, sabi mo, alam mo, yung mga life questions, scam yan eh. Sabi ko, tama ka naman. Because there's a lot of people, mentors, who will just network, but they don't have results. And I don't talk about my business. Ask me why. Because I have a lot of business, all legal, all moral, all helping, but I don't know any of those. Ask me why. Because it doesn't matter, because when the who is clear, the how will appear. Which means the clarity of your legacy is not just the clarity of vision. A lot of people have their vision, but they're struggling in life. Why? Because the who is clear. You have to match the who to the vision of where you want to be. And that is my whole point for today, because I believe anyone here who's been doing business at least 1 year below, raise your hand. Bago pa lang, 1 year below. Atong pakpakan, mga baguhan. So 1 year below, we are here to support you because we believe in you, we rally around you. 5 years below, raise your hand. Thank you, palakpakan natin. Okay? 5 years or more, raise your hand. Thank you so much, and that's what I'm here for. I'm not going to talk about your business, but one thing for sure, if we're going to talk about your rate of self-evolution, your expansion, whatever business you're handling, guaranteed you'll create the result that you want. And the word that I am really enjoying here is effortless. What's the word? Okay ba yun? Hindi ka nag-workout pero ang ganda ng katawan mo? Okay ba yun? Of course. Okay ba you're not selling but people are dying to buy from you? Okay ba yun? And that's what they call effortless. Sa usa ka Ginoo, anak sa Ginoo. Si Moses kaya niyang hatiin yung dagat, ikaw pa kaya? Now, just to put things straight, no? Yes, I have legit business. But however, I'm not in the business because most of the time what I do is just to create support system for the entrepreneurs. Because why? My money-making endeavor is never about being in the business because kung negosyante ako, lahat ng negosyo ko po, sa 50 negosyo binuksan ko, hulaan nyo, ilan yung nalugi? 100. Maybe because, again, my money architect is not about business, but my money architect is to support business owner in a way that when they expand themselves through the consciousness level, through the work that they do in the transformation, every business owner that I support, and a lot of you are here, guaranteed will have an exponential growth. What's the word? Exponential. Which means you double your business 2 years, you double your business every 18 to 24 months. Pagkasabi, not bad.
Not bad.
Last year, on an average, pinakamababa is 4 times growth. But here's the thing, without stress, anxiety, and overwhelm. Maganda ba yun?
Yes.
Because at the end of the day, a lot of business owner, they have money to expand. They have the market to sell to. What's their biggest problem?
What?
People.
Yes.
And that's where I come in. It's called people technology. We invest a lot of technology in our business. We renovate it in our products, in our R&D, but we never invest in our people. At sabihin mo, ba't ako mag-invest sa mga tao ko? Lalayas yan. Mas problema yon. You make them stay and you don't grow them, halaka. Patay tayo dyan. At least when they leave you, you have grown them, you bless them. And that's my job here. So if you look at all the businesses that I am into, I don't know any of those, iba't ibang industry. But here's the thing. I'm just excited because all of the people who I'm supporting, and maybe today, I'm going to give you some of the things that I do so that you can start your business in a way that you have immediate peace of mind, which is more important. Kung meron ka lang chance mamimili, kunwari ako yung genie or fairy godmother, pwede rin, di ba?
Yes, pwede.
Kung isa lang pagpipilian mo, peace of mind or money?
Peace of mind.
Exactly, but here's the thing, because of money, we lose out of?
Peace of mind.
Again, whatever I'm going to share with you, immediate, when you apply it, peace of mind. Good or good?
Good.
Not only that, joy. What's the difference between joy and happiness? Happiness, something happened outside, happy ako, pag nawala, hahanap ako ng iba. Never-ending, constant pursuit of happiness. Joy here is no matter what, umulan, bumagyo ba, thank you, Lord. I'm still alive, I can still breathe, and that's where I want you to be. And last but not least, I want you to start to take on the word fulfillment. What's the word? Fulfillment. And fulfillment is feeling good about myself when I am by myself. Because at the end of the day, useless ang pera if you don't feel good about yourself. Useless ang pera if your relationship at home is not working. And fulfillment here is because I know that I do not worship my business, I do not worship my money, I worship my source, and my source will take care of whatever I'm doing, will just be blessed, never-ending, continuous. Okay ba yun?
Yes.
Again, just a brief background about myself. I'm from Davao City, born and raised in Davao City. Last Sunday was my 55th birthday. Next slide, please. Blessed lang ako because wherever I am, I work anywhere I am in the world. 2 weeks ago, I was just in Calgary. I went to Vancouver and went Alaskan cruise. But all of the company, no complaints. I show up. They're not looking for me. Ask me why. Everything handled. Because they understand that their only job here is not their job. It's not their business, but it's the rate of self-evolution. When everyone is evolving, your organization will happen 3 words. Pakisabi 3 words. What's the word? Number 1, self-management. Maganda ba yun? Na lahat ng tao mo, kumukusa, at hindi mo pagsabihan, gumagawa at gumigimik para ikagaganda ng kumpanya. Good or good?
Good.
That's a good business model. Number 2, self-motivated, which means meron kang pa-incentive or wala, kikilos yan. In fact, I don't believe anymore in what I call employment. I always believe in internship. No, so EJ started with us internship. Jason started internship. You started internship. Walang sweldo, pero pag nagtrabaho, wagas. Sobra pa sa sinusweldo ng 1 million. Why? Because their motivation is never about external, but their motivation is all about, number 1, growth. So which means if you're putting up a business or if you're an employee, repeat after me, never work for money.
Never work for money.
Instead, pakisabi instead, work for growth.
Work for growth.
Because when you work for growth, money will run after you. Always remember, on a soul level, we are equal. Walang lamangan. But on the marketplace, we have our own value. So if you're busy just working, just putting up your business, and you're not even looking at your own growth, you'll be gone. Specifically, what's going on right now in the next 3 years. 270 million in the entire population of the world mawawalan na trabaho because of AI. And if you're not growing, you're not expanding, even doing your research in your own business, in your own industry, you're out of the game. Their motivation is not just growth. Number 2, their motivation is actually called experience. We allow them to experience the goodness of life. We allow them to experience what else is possible. We allow them to see things differently in the world. Now they bring this, and when they're growing as much as they can, when they experience life as much as they can, they show up to the world, and now they go in their contribution, and this is where the legacy is. This is self-motivation. What if lahat ng employees natin or lahat tayo dito self-motivated, that your motivation is not just earning, it's not just having millions of followers, but it's you growing, experiencing life, and contributing. Will that be exciting? It's a never-ending work, by the way. Guys, ako yung taong pinakamasipag na kakilala ko, but 9.5 out of 10 of what I do is pro bono. Ibig sabihin, hindi ako nagcha-charge. But the beautiful part around it is I create a value for myself. I create a new experience. Why? Because I want to contribute. And if you don't contribute back to me, okay lang. Ask me why. Fair. How many of you showed up last night in my Zoom learning session? My topic was all about money. And eto yung paniwala ko. Repeat after me. Money is like an air. When I need it the most, I just take it in. Inhale. Okay, gastos. Exhale. May nagtira ba? May nag-budget ba? May nag-ipon ba? Bakit? Because the moment you were born up until now, you know it's always available. You're safe. What if ganun ang treatment natin sa pera? What if ganun ang treatment natin sa lahat ng gusto ng buhay? What if ganun yung paniwala natin that we are such a beautiful creation of a higher power, higher being? I call him God. He is limitless, and therefore we deserve all of this, except maybe how we operate in our nervous system. What's the word?
Nervous system.
It's all about scarcity. It's all about lack. Because this is my fear. Most of us here, entrepreneurs, we start coming from pain. Kaya ako gusto maging successful kasi ayaw ko nang humirap. And then the pain becomes now your motivation. Not bad, because it will pull you out from the pain to pleasure. Uy, kumita na ako, maganda na. However, pleasurable na buhay ko, hindi ako makakatigil because again, I don't want to go back to pain. Then you make your pain your operating system. Then you go after bigger money. From pleasure, you go to what we call profit. And the more people I know who's earning as much as they can, mas gapang pa sila nung nagsisimula sila. Why? It's not about the money anymore. But it's the operating system deep within their heart, their mind, their body. is telling them, stop working and you will lose everything. Not knowing that when there come from His purpose, what's the word? Purpose. Come from His purpose, and I would always say, when the purpose is clear, the profit will appear, and secondary, ang pleasure sa buhay, so you can help people who are in pain. And that is you now working on who you are, so that you can create a massive result in your life. What I love about where I am right now is at least I'm really enjoying my life effortlessly because of this formula. I don't only work from everywhere. Next slide, please. I can live wherever I want to go. No? Yesterday, I was just with Josh in the tropical rainforest of Lukban. That's where I live. Sino medyo follower ko na ngayon? Hindi ko mag-assume na sikat ako dito. Ha? Ay, maraming salamat. Mangilan ka sa kanya, i-follow niyo ako. Walang lalabas, inyo i-follow. Okay, good? At least meron ko 8 follower, meron na 9, 10, 11, 12, magiging 13 follower ko. But again, I can choose wherever I want to. Again, it's really taking a look at on money is not just money, but it's the freedom that can bring in. But however, we lose out of freedom simply because, again, we forget the most important things in life. And I'm just here to remind you that your life is all about the experience that you make out of it. So how blessed am I with my life, because I know that my work is never my work, my business never makes, but my work is about my rate of personal evolution. Can I show you one photo? Next photo, please. This is what I do. No? So if you're available, business owners, and you want to know more about GCI, you want to join us, we have an island hopping on Friday. Raise your hand. Join us. Okay, please let us know because we can reserve. Spots are limited. Because we're going to talk about GCI, but that's how I am in my life every day. And some of you, and some of people will question, is it too good to be true? I think EJ knows me more than 10 years. You know how I live my life, and this is where I'm at. But maybe because, at the end of the day, I understand that this is your job. So which means, bago namin ipasok si Boss RDR, and the rest of our speaker, we want to prepare your context. What's the word? Context. We want to prepare your container. What's the word? Container. But we want to prepare your vessel. What's the word? Vessel. When you're focused on your context, on your vessel, on your container, whatever you put in will just flourish. An example here. This is you. Who is this? And you is actually a 1 liter of water. Possible? Yes. Now, if in case, nagsawa ka na ng 1 liter, gusto mo ng 10,000 liters, pwede? Pwede. Kailan? Pwede ba ngayon kaagad? Yes or yes? Pwede. Except kung ikaw ay 1 liter lang at gusto mo ng 10,000 liters, kung ipilit mo, ano mangyayari sa container mo? Aapaw. Mawawala. Or kung talaga ipilit mo, bababasag. And therefore, my job here is to let you understand that at the end of the day, if you want to create more result in your life, don't just focus in your business. Don't just focus in your job, in your career, but focus on you as a vessel. That the job here is now to allow the light of your Creator to enter. And the moment it enters, everything becomes effortless. Maganda ba yun? Yes. Everything becomes exciting. Now, at age 55, I consider every day as the first day for the rest of your life. I'm always excited. Some people think nakadroga ako. Some people think nakahit-hit ako. Hindi, excited lang talaga ako. In fact, ayoko na nga matulog. Ask me why. Sa dami ng gusto kong gawin. But today can also be my last day. But the most important question is, what now? And I guess most important thing that I want you to understand, if this is the type of business that you want to start creating, in a way it's profitable, it's pleasurable, and you're helping a lot of people get out of pain, make sure you come from is what we call profit to pursue your purpose. And I think I'm just blessed because in the end, I started my career here in Davao at age 21 as a promodizer / janitor in Metro Plaza. Are you familiar, Metro Plaza? Right? And then I moved to RJ Homes. And then from there, I was promoted as a salesman all the way until age 35 as International Key Accounts Manager taking care of 5 countries. Pinapalakpakan po yan. Because that's where I understand the power of community, the power of mentorship, the power of real networking, the power of you working with people just like this to create results. Together, we're gonna help. Because if you ask me, ano pang pangarap ko, wala na. Ask me why. Ba't ko pa ipapangarap? I-schedule ko na lang, bibilihin ko na lang. Okay ba yan?
Yes.
But ito yung na-realize ko, the more money you have, wala ka ng appetite mamili. Diba? So which means, ang pera, illusion talaga. But if you don't understand that, we keep on working for money, working for money, working for money, we lose really important things, such as what? Health. Pakisabi sa katabi mo, friend, health is wealth.
Health is wealth.
Oh, tapos huwag mo nang husgahan sa anong itsura niya. Why are we not as healthy as we are? Busy. Meron ba gwapa? Diba? Most important part also relationship. But here's the thing, we lose a lot of relationship in life. Why? Because running after money. But money is just a result of the value you create for yourself. Can I share with you the universal law of compensation? When you say universal law of compensation, whether you believe it or not, just like the law of gravity, it's happening. Number 1, the need for what you do. Which is in your business, kailangan mo ito ng mundo. Yes, matcha, I love matcha. But not as much as ube. Claro? So there's a huge need. Malay mo, magpadala ng ube cake dito yan. Oh. Hindi siya madaling paparinggan. Yung paglabas, may pa-ube na yun mamaya. Oh. Kaya ako nagpapaniod to, ikaw magpa-snacks, di ha? Ah, naman na, oh. Ube. Oh. Kangen water. The need for what you do. Yun bang ginagawa mo, kailangan ba ng mundo? Yun bang products mo, kailangan mo do? If yes, check. However, that's basic. Second level, degree of difficulty, gaano kahirap. Kasi kung yung value mo tagawalis, pwede kang palitan. But where the big box is, you being irreplaceable. Mahirap ka bang palitan? Kasi kung mahirap kang palitan, patay tayo dyan. So just to be very open, all the 34 businesses that you see there, I only founded 1. And the rest are the founders, are actually my mentees who cannot live without me, and therefore they're offering from 49% ownership to 10% ownership. Why? Because again, they cannot imagine living life without me being part of the organization. Maganda. Which means we ask yourself, how clear am I with my value proposition? That's number 1. How difficult for other people not to look for other things, but they want to look for me. But the last thing here is being indispensable. And maybe it's time for us to refocus and rethink on a realm of possibility. Can I be hot, loving, kind, spiritual, and multimillionaire? Yes or yes?
Yes.
Except most of us is just focused on one. It can be all. On what context? Pagkasabi, I am a beautiful creation of God. So therefore, your job here is not really your business. Your job here is to make sure you bring back who you are to the context and the clarity of your who. That you are a vessel. What are you? Vessel. And I'll just give you 4 jobs that I work on every day. Because I bring me to whatever I do in my life. Are we clear? Yes. Your first job here is number 1. Clear your vessel. Because at the end of the day, no matter how much hardworking you are, no matter how much strategy you have, but if your vessel is not clear, that becomes now a block. So I want you to clear your vessel every day. Kinsa diri galibang adlaw-adlaw. Diba isa ka daw kay kalibang. Bugat gaan. Duha ka adlaw ay kalibang. O sa Tagalog, 3 araw hindi ka tumatae. Ang class ko na world class. That's physical. How about emotional clearing? That's say if you're clear about your vision and it's not happening, ask me why. Your vessel is not clear. Can I give you some steps lang that you can work on? Okay, letter A, heal your inner child. Hindi itong inner child healing ni Oyos ha, na 50 milyong laruan. Ang mahal namang healing inner child yan, hindi pa rin na-healed. Because that is external. Healing your inner child is an internal process. Now, this will be self-serving. Okay lang ba? Of course, because I don't know where else you can get this healing your inner child. You cannot heal your child by watching YouTube. You cannot heal your inner child by playing with the toys. You go through a process. It's called structured learning experience. Wherein you bring you in the room, we allow you to go back to you as a 3-4-year-old child, and there you see that you understand, repeat after me, there was never school for parents. Ready, begin.
There was never school for
So, ibig sabihin, minahal ka ng magulang kung paano sila mahal magulang nila. And you have to let it go. You have to thank it. And you have to bless it because, again, God's greatest blessing are your parents. If you don't bless them because of what they did, that they didn't even know they're doing to you, do not carry them anymore. That's all your triggers come from the wound of that little child. Therefore, heal it. Konting advertising lang, okay lang ba? Yes. How many of you want to heal you and your family, especially your spouse, your parents, your children? Raise your hand. This Saturday, okay, awakening emotional reset. 1 whole day. That our first batch, merong pinadalang 12-year-old na suicidal, kasi napanood lang yung video ko, pag-uwi sa bahay, nagulat, kasi dati, kung pwede patayin tatay niya, pinatay niya, nagulat, yumakap, nagpatawad sa tatay. Nalaman ng tatay, siya palang cause ng suicide. Umaten ng batch 2. Umuwi ang tatay sa province, binuntahan yung nanay, 82 years old. Source ng sama ng loob, kaya siya ganun sa anak niya. At sinong umaten ng batch 3? Hulaan nyo. Hindi, yung lolo napatay na, kasama si lola. Ano eh? Yung lola. And lola went home understanding, wow, thank you because there's program that we cut the cycle. And what is stopping all the blessing is what we call resentment. What's the word? Resentment. Sa Bisaya, panluod, pagdumot, pagluib, laluma, no? Kidut! Taro ba? And when you notice, most of people who you know who are broke, they're very dramatic. Dali kay manluod. Matampuhin. Yeah, they may get the blessing, mawala, but mawala again. Those are the common denominator of people who I know who is still broke up until now. Ask me why. They have so many hurt that they haven't healed and they project it to people around them. You need to heal that. Letter B is what we call completion. What's the word? Completion. If there are people in your life in the past, tapusin mo na, wag mo nang bitbitin. If you see them and they hurt you, padala mo na message, hey, Michelle, I see that you're happy and successful. God bless you. Tapos na. Are we clear? Number 3 is clearing. When I say clearing, these are your present relationship. If it's not working, di magbulag sa may kabubuton. Kung di kaya magbulag, delegate. Iuli sa amahan, iuli sa inahan. Niman ng inahan, no return, no exchange. But I will guarantee you, you return them, you release them, you delegate them, the next person will be the same. Ask me why. Because the pain is you, not them. And therefore, maybe God's greatest gift for you to expand what? Maybe your level of acceptance. Because here's the thing. How many % are you in full control of external things? 0. And yet, we want to be in full control. We're so attached. And it's taking away our peace. Clear? Expansion of what we call forgiveness. Do you believe that when you give, you receive? Would you like to know the highest form of giving? Yes or no?
Yes.
Forgiving. The moment you forgive, automatic blessing comes in. But you need to start clearing it because you cannot carry it. Ignan imong katapat, friend. Kung kalibangon ka, ilibang na. Klaro? Sa Tagalog, pag natatay ka, itain mo na. Diba? You don't like that. You have to clear it. Letter E, a lot of times spend time with the nature to remind you that you're one with the nature. Nature don't judge you. You don't judge nature. And therefore, when you're with nature, spend time with nature, you start to look at, and last but not the least, is what we call play. Take time to play. And what I love about GCI this year, once a month, we play. Hindi nga once a month lang, ang dami ng basketball. Right? Mamayang gabi, magbabasketball na naman. Alright, again, we're gonna play werewolf. Yours. Para are we clear? Yes. Alright, take a deep breath. Can we pause for a while? Right, talk to the person beside you. Any realization about you? Huwag kang mag-lecture sa katabi mo. Kung ako yung nagle-lecture, kausapin mo yung katabi mo, etong na-realize ko tungkol sa aking sarili with what Coach Ras has talked about. Are we clear?